Arrive in style with this Ram 2018 3500 Laramie Longhorn. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are bright white clear coat, monotone paint, chrome tubular side steps, engine, 6.7 Li6 Cummins turbo diesel included, Cummins turbo diesel badge current generation engine controller 220 amp alternator gross vehicle weight, 11,700 pounds diesel exhaust brake selective catalytic reduction, area, Ram active air, Carrollton black premium leather bucket seats, keyless geo included, remote proximity keyless entry, transmission, 6-speed automatic 68 RFE included, 3.42 axle ratio, clearance lamps and heavy-duty snow plow prep group included, 220 amp alternator. If you are looking for a new truck, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride.